iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Richards Bay no. Mamelodi Sundowns 4. 4 goals scored in the opening fixture really after the mid-season break. They defeated, I was speaking to Sundowns players, they defeated Rushine Galaxy 6-1. So they're continuing where they left off there. Duku Makhanya, ningathi uyiplayer kabano, player Roy Barreto, now player Rod Kroll, player Costa Papic, as long as coaches, player Owen Takama. You must have been there when Owen Takama was announced.
I'm a coach 11. 11
There you go. A league winner too as well, I would imagine. Were you there in 2001 when they won the league?
For sure.
There you go, a league winner too. Richards Bay, Mamelodi Sundowns, what did you make of the game?
Yeah, greetings to viewership.
Yes, sir.
Very interesting game, but of our one team, especially our rookies, they came with a plan. Yeah, you check it, the plan, okay, the plan was also to expose maybe Sundowns, maybe where they were trying maybe to be strong. Our wing backs, they had Nsundo on the left, trying also maybe to expose that side whereby maybe you've got Umota will be frequently maybe going up front.
Yeah.
And then Sundowns was supposed to capitalize with the spaces sure way. So also then Umteto the non-glove. So it means buying almost a 4-4-2, which became a 4-3 attacker. So it means Umteto and I was supposed to join in. Sometimes Sundowns and Amagaba shielded Apaya. Umteto was late to join in the attack, so to finish off the attack. So it became a situation whereby with the Sundowns, yes, they were going to struggle in a bit of a fluidity, but we are mid-season break. So Sundowns, so what they wanted to do is to make sure that they try to control the tempo. It's suitable. So whereas Richards Bay was they need to apply high press and hoping to out of those situations they'll get a goal or two. Because of their aim also was they want to finish a game in 90 minutes. And they were at home. So what's nice about them is that there's something that they've learned because of they didn't maybe sit back and Basabi Sundowns.
So they learned that they could lose a game 4-0.
No, yes, you go to a match with the hope of maybe executing your plan and hoping with maybe the opposition are not the same. Sundowns is high quality oppositions were supposed to Richards Bay. Equality are equal at much. So sure. Quality stood out, but you check it, Sundowns Maingena, they went for a side overload, especially right. They had Kutumela, they had Mutao, they had also Umshishina to that side. So it meant the left hand side was always left free for Ulake, which are taking the side Lelo. Then Ralani started drifting across, especially to middle field. So it meant Richards Bay, they were all being sucked to a position.
You've played professional football,
yes.
Junior international with Bafana. Is it possible that when people go to a dressing room, because I only played at amateur, I've coached at amateur, I know the mentality there. If you've lost 4-0, you've lost 4-0.
Yeah.
And sometimes there's no opportunity to take stock and say, you know what, we did well here and there and there. Do you think it's possible, as we are speaking, or they are looking at the positives of this, or by they are shouting at each other, look, we lost 4-0?
Then it takes a courageous coach and who always know what he wants from his players. But if your players maybe they try to execute your plan and it falters, then you take the positives and also try to correct the negatives. Because you check it maybe Richards Bay against maybe low quality oppositions. They can execute their plan properly in sevens, but now,
attacks today.
Exactly. So then it tells you at least going forward, because if football is a process. It's a process. Maybe whatever you've done from the previous match, it can also maybe benefit you going forward. So I'm hoping maybe they can take the positive and maybe try to rectify maybe my negatives. But for my negatives, you check at my negatives. They were coming from the square pass. Most Amapola square pass. You check the first goal, he crossed, Malcolm, nobody followed up. That was loose. So you're supposed to have my defenders to clear my lines. You check the second goal, a corner kick, here again. You check it, third goal.
Similar situation.
Similar situation. Fourth goal again, Shalulile head again. So it means Richards been going maybe to the next training session or to the next match. They need to rectify in the Bayuti. It's either maybe we close down and not allow maybe a square pass again, or we make sure we deal with the square pass.
It seems as though Mandela Onyango, every time they give him an opportunity, he gives them a reason. Yeah. What do you make of that?
Definitely, because of you'll maybe think with maybe is it because of maybe he hasn't been playing for a very long time because of pairing, central pairing. They were always consistent on Kekana no De Reuck or no Libusa.
Yeah.
So Mandela Onyango, since their injury, he has never came back to a side. So it means also again the quality. Now if foot maybe again also equality comes into concern. Does he fit maybe la Mamelodi Sundowns? It's a high quality team, whereby whenever you are given a chase or a chance to play, you should grab it with both hands. Pakamisa Sandla Mandela tati chase. You can tell it's somebody that I feel they've always maybe been trying to build him for a Champions League because of his height, his physique, because of they know you meet different oppositions whereby sometimes he height maybe in the physique is needed. Yes, it could be useful because of you check about De Reuck, you check at Abu Libusa in terms of physique, Mandela. So maybe they've been trying to build him, but Mandela and the fully chase. There
you go. Last one. What do you think Sundowns would have learned from this today? I mean, we figure up in a sense Sundowns is Spanish game for Spanish Amachita on the fringes. You know, because when we looked at it, we saw Brian Onyango there, we saw Ralani there, we saw Ukurisho Mudau there. Of course, maybe there were some injuries. Kenneth Mwene was there as well. We saw a lot of experimentation from Sundowns, even Nagwendala. What do you think they learned today?
Yeah, I think rightfully so, the way we were there was a lot of experimentation, but I feel with maybe going to maybe any team more strong and maybe meeting maybe with that they wouldn't go in a line up so party. At the end of the day, for them, because they've got the quality in abundance, so they can always give a chance to anyone and try also my tactics as well. Because I feel with you for Sundowns, it's all about the momentum and also gaining rhythm, especially for my players Ralani, getting into his system, understanding my rules. You know, Ralani has all about this. Kapinga ngaphandle, there's Hashim Domingo. There's
Mutupa,
there's Mutupa, there's Mayema, yes, there's Umayema, especially Ralani Azala, then Umayema, you question didn't he do enough to deserve a starting bed? So it tells you about also maybe their thinking is that what they wanna try and polish everyone so that when the time when it's time to use everybody or it's needed with Mele Ralani, they must raise their hands. They are ready, so at least it's about giving them a rhythm and a continuity. So
yeah, you got some Mamelodi Sundowns against the Richards Bay Football Club. We come back on Sunday with Orlando Pirates versus Orlando Pirates Light. Orlando Pirates versus Orlando Pirates Light. Monip Joseph's former Orlando Pirates player. Benny McCarthy, former Orlando Pirates player. Siyabonga Nomvete, former Orlando Pirates player. Singing Abalene, City Mamela, City Mulenga, City Mlambo. I think Ukomete na Tabo Kalinge. There's so many former Orlando Pirates, but I think there's 7 or 8 former Orlando Pirates human beings. But anyways, it will be a hunting. We'll be here at 3 p.m. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.